What's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing my second Get Ready With Me. This time I'm getting ready for the Drake and Migos concert, which I could not wait for, so let's get started. I'm using my primer first from e.l.f. to prime my whole face. I always forget to do this step, but when I do it, I notice a huge difference. My foundation goes on smoother and my makeup lasts longer, and that's a must because y'all know it's going to be lit tonight. Okay, next I'm doing my brows. I'm brushing them out, then taking my eyebrow pencil to gently outline my natural shape. I do like using a pencil better because it shapes my brows better than the pomade gel. Now I'm filling them in just from the middle to the end and creating hair-like strokes in the front to elongate my brows. I'm using my concealing foundation from Black Opal as usual to spot conceal over my blemishes. And then I'm using this to blend the concealer in. I don't know if I've ever even known the name of this thing. If you know what this is called, let me know. I'm going over what I just did with a lighter concealer to make it match my skin tone. Then I'm taking the brush end of my spoolie to blend that out. And I'm using that thing again to blend it all together. I usually stop there and just throw on some false lashes without any foundation, but I want my face to be beat, so I'm going to use my Maybelline foundation if I can get it out. And just a nickel size amount will do. And then I'm dotting it all over my face with my finger and using my foundation brush to pat, not wipe the foundation into my skin. Next, I'm using the concealer again to highlight under my eyes, my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, and chin, and blending that all out with my beauty blender. I feel like I'm using the word blend a lot, but that's what you gotta do if you want your makeup to be flawless. Okay, here I'm taking the excess concealer left on the tip of the brush to clean up my brows, and I do this to avoid squeezing out too much. I'm not putting any above where I did my strokes in the front so it looks natural. And now I'm blending that concealer out again using the brush, and I'm going in a downward motion to bring the concealer away from my brow edges so the concealer line is more discreet. Now I'm going to brush them out again so the hairs are neat and straight. My dog was barking. And I also like to touch the outline up so it stands out and they look crisp, because sometimes it fades once you put the concealer on. So I didn't really know what kind of look to go for. I just know I wanted to do eyeshadow. To make it simple and quick though, because I was in a hurry, I'm just doing a dark brown shadow around my crease and sweeping it out to the corner of my eye. And then I'm using a light gold eyeshadow to highlight underneath my brows. And yeah, I think this is going to be it with the eyeshadow. I just really didn't know what to do from this point, and it's getting late. So I just bought this eyeliner. It's Master Precise Ink by Maybelline. So I'm not good at putting on eyeliner, so I hope this helps. It's not what I thought it was. This is the only way I can put on liquid eyeliner. I have more control of it this way. I'm putting on these lashes, which are Ardell Demi Whispies. These are my everyday lashes for when I don't want to go overboard. I save my mink lashes for that, and I like to apply them using my finger and hair glue. So now I have them both on. I'm just making sure they go up, and I'm going to put on some mascara to blend in my real lashes and make the falsies pop more. Okay, now we're wrapping this look up. I'm going to set my face with my black opal invisible powder just under my eyes and nose because this stuff makes my face too matte like a mannequin. And next I'm adding some gold eyeshadow in my tear ducts. This makes the eyes look brighter. Almost done. Now I'm going to add some highlighter on my cheekbones. And on the tip of my nose. So now the makeup's done, I'm going to style this hair. I recently uploaded a video unboxing and initially styling this hair, so check that out please. The link is in the description. And what I'm doing is using a bobby pin to pin down the ear tabs. Then I'm taking my Got2b Ultra Glue and I'm going to use it to lay down my edges. This wig comes with baby hairs, but I didn't think they were really necessary to use. Now I'm just spreading the curls out a little more, and I'm going to tie a scarf around my head while I finish getting ready so it can dry. And while I was waiting on my hair to dry, I decided to add some mascara to my lower lashes and another layer of brown eyeshadow to cover the area above my eyelid. I don't even know what I'm wearing. Okay, I'm back. I'm dressed. I ended up flipping my hair over to the side. I thought I recorded it, but my camera was full, so yeah. Here's what my hair looks like, and let me tell you, it was done for me after the show. And here's the outfit. I'll insert pictures too, so keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
This is so horrible. Horrible.